Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Singapore. On tonight's menu, Yew Bak. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Hard boil a couple of eggs. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the marinade. And here's the marinade. And the pork tenderloin in the marinade, and it'll sit for about 15 minutes. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Added the garlic and we'll saute for about 30 seconds. Added the pork with the marinade. Here's the pork being browned. I add the water. And this is going to simmer for about 45 minutes. And after that, I add all the vegetables. Then I add the eggs. And then it'll simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. The rice is ready. Here's the dish after the final simmer. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.